Meaning of desiccated.
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 Desiccated. The term desiccated refers to something that has been completely dried out or dehydrated. When a substance is desiccated, all of its moisture has been removed. This can occur naturally through exposure to air or sunlight, or through artificial means such as heating or vacuum sealing. Desiccation is often used as a method of preserving food, as it prevents the growth of bacteria and other organisms that require moisture to survive. In addition, desiccated substances are often more stable and easier to handle than their hydrated counterparts.